Well, it's Sunday Quickie time, and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to put the oil pump on. By the way, I'm not splitting this engine like I planned. I tried to get the wrist pins out of the pistons. They did not want to come. I tried every trick I had. So I said, okay, this engine's good. Just put it back the way it should be. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm not checking anything inside. I'm just going to put it back together and hope for the best. If anything, I have this one here that I can rebuild in the future and have another engine. Well, that'd be neat. But yes, I am not taking this one apart. Today, though, I'm going to put on the oil pump. First, I got to put the oil pump back together. Then I'm going to slam her on here. I already put a new gasket down there, so that's good. So let me get set up and we'll get going. So first of all, we're going to use some of my milling oil, Mel lube it's called, engine assembly lube. I'm going to put a whole bunch in here, actually. Get her smothered up here pretty good. And I closed it. And get her all lubed up in here. So she will be nice, free spinning when she starts up. So go, and after that I'm actually going to put a little oil in these spots right here just to get lube in there. So first of all, I'm going to put this one in. Start it off. You know what? I kind of want to lube that up a little. You know why? It's always good. Can't go wrong. Metal on metal is never a good thing. So, it's always good to have a bit of this stuff. It's actually very good to have a bit of this stuff. Alright. There we go. I don't even know if you were in camera when I was doing that. Ah, well. We'll fix it in editing. No, we won't. Why fix it? There we go. And she moves nice and smooth. Get some on here. Hope this doesn't turn out to be a long quickie. Man, it may. This may be a long quickie, longer than I hoped. So, we'll see. So there we go. Get it on here. There we go. On the gears. There we go. And I gotta get her where she will drop right in here. There we go. Look at that. Perfect so far, wouldn't you say? Yeah, I think so. Where's my lid to this one? I'll have to find the lid. I moved it somewhere. There you go, we got the lid. I guess it's not called a lid, is it? It is to this. To me. How does this go? I think it goes like... Nope. Well, it's got to go somehow. How could I forget how this goes on? That's terrible. Well, I was sure it went either this way or this other way. Oh, it does go this way. Well, there we go. It does go that way. Okay. Let me get the bolts popped in. Now, what are the torque on those bolts? I don't know. Honestly, don't know. I don't know. It's because I never looked it up. Maybe I should look it up. Yeah, I'll look it up. So I'm going to have to get a book eventually for the Subaru that tells me what torque specs are, because Google ain't telling me much. So just going to, do the best thing and hope for the best. It seems about right. Seems about right. Seems right. Seems pretty good. There we go on that one. It even seemed good too. She's torqued. I'm pretty sure she is. So now we're going to squirt some oil up into here. And hopefully that'll be good. Now we're going to run her back. I don't even know if I got you on camera here, me doing that. But whatever. That's life, right? Oops, hey, there's a duck around here. So now I got to put on some gasket maker. I'm using this Moto Seal. It's gray. It's insane stuff. It's very thin. So you just put a small layer, like look at it come out here. It's so thin, it's amazing. Like you can just put a thin layer on and be happy with it, I'm sure. You don't need a lot of this. Well, I know. You don't have to watch me do this. Well, I got that done. Let's see if I can get this oil pump on here now. We'll see. Do I got this thing facing the right way here? No. I thought I did. I thought I set it up right. Okay, technical difficulties. We'll be right back. So there we are. I had to do what? Get the shank right here, the crankshaft. Get it right so it would go right into place. And just so you know, I'm putting on some very weak thread locker. It's pretty weak stuff. It says medium strength. I don't think it is. It's probably a little weaker than that. And it's called Tank Bond. They make thread locker now. And it was on sale for like $5. I bought a whole bunch of it. I should have tested it first, but I wanted to see how it was. So on the water pump, torque wrench. So I'm doing about 8.5, and I don't know what the sequence is. That just doesn't seem tight enough, does it? Wow, that's light. That's very light. I'm gonna have to recheck these after I do this. This just doesn't seem right. It's like nothing. So I'm not sure. I'm gonna recheck. That didn't seem like enough. So let me recheck and get back to it. I looked more and it said it was more like 5 pounds or something. So I don't know what it is now. So I'm going to do some more investigation. But right now, they're torqued at 8.5. I'm going to leave them there because it seems that's what I'm going to leave them at. It's probably fine. But man, I'd rather have it torqued like at 10, 12 or something. Like, but I'll leave it at 8.5 and go from there. Thanks for watching for the Sunday Quickie. I hope you enjoyed it. And we got the oil pump installed. So I'm moving farther on, and that makes me happy.